Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Check out this padding for edges and corners. This was sent to me as a gift to check out and test in my home. And this is such a great thing if you've got those corners, edges that maybe you keep knocking your knee on and having mystery bruises. Maybe you've got a baby or toddler around your area and you need a little extra protection on those corners. This is perfect. It comes in different finishes so you can find what matches your decor the best. So let's get this installed and test it out. This comes with 4 corners that are already lined with 3M tape, ready to be used, and then 15 feet of the edge, so you can see how that looks. This is fairly flexible, so if you have like a little bit of a more rounded edge, this would work, or if you have just a traditional 90-degree angle, this would work. And you can cut this to your own specifications for whatever furniture you're needing to. It comes with a nice big roll of the 3M adhesive, so it's going to stay put and not come off.